Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to this quick tutorial on Staff on Air. In this video, I will walk you through how a vendor can use this platform from logging in and adding your bench candidates to posting open positions and finding matching jobs using our AI powered job matching feature. Staff on Air makes it super easy for vendors to showcase their available talents, connect with clients, and manage everything from one dashboard. Let's get started and see how you can make the most of your vendor account on Staff on Air. So in the previous video, we have seen the tutorial of how a client can come to our platform and can post jobs and can hire candidates. In this video, I will be showing you from a vendor perspective. So yeah, let's get started. So let me sign up for you. There are three sign up options: sign up as a vendor, as a client, and as an individual. In the last video, we have signed up as a client. So yeah, today we will be signing up as a vendor. So let me create an account. The process is same as a vendor. So the terms and conditions, you can click and read on it. Take a view. So I will create an account. So since the account is created, the admin will give you the password once. Then we can log in. My email address. This is the password. I will sign up as a vendor. So yeah, I need to complete my profile. Profile completion is necessary for us or for the admin to verify that whether you are an authentic client, you are a genuine client, you are a genuine vendor, you have all the documents. Main focus of completing a profile is uploading the valid documents. So yeah, let me show you what are documents we need. So for now, your account is not verified. We need to fill the required fields and upload the necessary documents. Let me edit it. Okay, so I have to write my team size. Since I'm a vendor, I will have a team of bench candidates. So let us assume that I have 10 bench candidates. I have a team of 10. The domain on which my candidates are working, I have a wide range of domain: AI developer, API developer, AWS developer, maybe you have an Azure developer or a cloud developer, Azure database engineer. You can select as many domains you like. So this is a tutorial. So let me write a tutorial here. You have to write a company overview. You can paste your LinkedIn URL. This is also necessary since we can know the generosity of your company. If you are a genuine client, you are a genuine vendor. These are some certificates or the IDs, government IDs, which you need to upload for us to authenticate you. The incorporation certificate or registration certificate if you are a company out of India, and the GST certificate operating from India. You need to upload your documents here. So you will save the changes. Okay, so now you can see the message there: your account has been sent for verification, please wait while. So the admin will verify your account details. Once your account gets verified, you will get a message. Let me tell the admin to verify. So now my account have been verified. So you can see that we have a dashboard here. In this dashboard, you will be able to see all the details, all the activities which you perform in this website. So yeah, here are the total jobs. Here are the active jobs, the inactive jobs, the total candidates, saved jobs, candidates occupied, invitation accepted, total invitation sent. Invitation means that if you post a job and you got a specific candidate in your job, or you want a specific candidate to view your job, you can send invitation to the candidate. So yeah, these are the invitations. The invitations which you sent will be listed here, the data. And also, since you also have bench candidates, so vendor can upload the bench candidates as well as vendor can post jobs. So the candidates which you upload, those candidates might have got invitations from other clients or other vendors. So those will be reflected here, the data will be reflected here. So yeah, let me show you how you can post your first job. So this is add job. So yeah, now we will be posting a sample job here. Let's suppose you need to give a job title. I will give as a React.js developer. The job you can either select full-time or a contract. For now we will posting a contract job. Experience, let's suppose I need a 4-year experience. You can select years. The domain I need, the domain for this I will be needing a React.js, front end React.js. With that I also need a backend developer. Okay, so this is enough. A small job description I need to give. Small description about this job. Roles and responsibilities. I can give this for now since this is a tutorial. Required skills. Required skills, again you need to post the skills required. I want React Native, React.js. With this I need TypeScript and a backend too. There is no backend, so MongoDB. Okay, so these are the skills required. Contract job details. So let's suppose I have a budget. First of all, I need to write my project duration. So in this contract jobs, I can select multiple options. Like if I want a job which I want to be get done by some specific hours or specific days or weeks, then I can post that event to that event. So let's suppose you want a job, like you have a project which you want to be get done into 8 hours or 10 hours. You can hire a candidate from our platform because there are people who do freelancing too. So our platform gives you flexibility to post full-time jobs and also small contract jobs and two big contract jobs like for months, 6 months, 8 months. These kind of contracts you can also post here. So yeah, for now I will be posting. I want a React developer. I want him to work on a project and I just have 1 week. So I will just select a project duration. I have a total budget. Total budget which I want to give for this contract job is, let's suppose I have 50 no, not 50. Let's suppose I have 10,000 budget. But our platform deals in dollar. So we can post jobs in dollar. Therefore, I will be converting it to dollar. I will just write my budget here and then convert to dollar. The amount will be converted to dollar and will be reflected. You don't have to go anywhere else to convert your amount to dollar. You can just simply use our convert currency option here. Okay, the project duration has been set. So now I have to select the country. Let's suppose India. I select in India. The job is in Gujarat. And here city I will select is Surat. Okay. Work mode. There are 3 options: work from office, work from home, and hybrid. So yeah, let's suppose I want hybrid kind of job. No, since it is a contract job and less than a month, it's just a week. So the person can't come to my office and work. So I have to select work from home ideally. So yeah, there will be some project information. Since this is a contract job, I have to give some project information so that the candidates can view that what kind of project it is, whether you want to work in that project or not. So yeah, this will consume 5 credits. There are multiple levels where the credit gets consumed. Okay, so for posting job, it is 5 credit, and for sending the application for any job as for a candidate, it is 12 credits, and likewise there are multiple options. So yeah, since I'm posting the job, 5 credits will be consumed. Okay, the credits will be consumed. You can review your job here. There are all the details: the budget, the duration, the location, mode, type, and everything, the skills. You can view your job here by clicking in here, and you can edit the job. The fields, there are few fields which you can edit afterwards. So yeah, from here you can edit too. Okay, and there are the applicants, the one who will be applying to your job. They will be shown here. Okay, yeah. So you can also deactivate a job if you find a specific job, then you can deactivate it. Okay, so now let me introduce you to how we can upload our bench candidate. So in my candidates tab, we have how to add candidate. The details of your candidate you can add here. Let's suppose I write the experience of my candidate is 3 years. Okay, like name of the candidates, let's Arjun, let it be Arjun S. The location of the candidate might be India, Rajasthan, and then the city. Let's suppose Ajmer. Okay, the employment type, the candidate will be available for contract only since the candidate is full-time employee of my company. So I want to send him for any contract jobs for clients. So yeah, employment type will be contract. The rate per hour of my candidate, it could be 5 hour. Then again, this rate is in dollar, $5 per hour. Okay. The skills which my candidate have, let's suppose React JS, React Native, and a backend. Domain, my candidate work on domains like AI and website development. Okay. Some additional information you can write here as a tutorial. Now the candidate will be added. This candidate will be shown in my candidate section. Okay, here is the card of your candidate. You can view the details in this card: the name, the type, location, experience, everything, the skills. You can view the details of your candidate here. Sure. And then from here you can add the project, the projects the candidate have worked on. You can add it from here. Okay, there are a few details: project name, description, link, and the image if anything specific or any file. Okay, so yeah, the status of your candidate is shown here. The job history, the candidate's job history, whether if your candidate have worked for any other client before, then it will be reflected here from our platform itself. And the feedback of your candidate, if your candidate have worked for any other client, then the client might have given the feedback. This feedback will be shown here, and this feedback can be viewed by other vendors and other clients who are viewing your candidate. So that might help you. And here is the profile section, the dashboard. We have a profile section, we have a credit history, we have a billing section, and you can change your password from here, the feedback too. Then again, we have a feature, the chat feature. If someone have initialized the chat, it will be shown here, or if you have initialized the chat, it will be shown in this tab. So you can chat with the vendors, with the clients, and start a conversation from here itself. You don't have to do mailing, and you don't have to get the phone number and all. You can just start the chat here and can discuss. From here, you can decide whether to move forward with the candidate, move forward with the client or the vendor. This is the section where you can find all the jobs. You just need to select the job title. Let's suppose I select a domain AI. By searching this, you will be getting all the AI jobs here. So this is the job card. You can view a few details in this job card: the duration, the grant budget, the work mode, the location, the experience, and the work type. If you click on view details, you will be getting the description, the roles and responsibilities around these jobs, and the required skills. So yeah, these are the required skills and these are the required domain. If you click on apply now, you will be getting that to select a candidate, which candidate you want to be applied in this job. So I select this name, the candidate which I have, a cover letter. Let's suppose I write tutorial and why you want your candidate is fit in this job, and a note, any detail if you want your specific candidate have and is fit and is a deserving candidate for this job. You can just write a note here. You can attach your resume of the candidate. These data will be viewed by the client or the vendor who have posted the job. So yeah, sending the application will be consuming 12 credits. So you need to confirm. Okay, so the application has been sent. Likewise, you can send application to various jobs, your various multiple candidates you can upload. You can upload multiple jobs to the application. Your job might have some applicants, so you can view from here. Okay, so yeah, so you can view the data. I have one job, I have one active job, I have one candidate uploaded. The application which we have sent just now, you can just view that from my applications. So yeah, this was the job application we have sent. You can view applied candidates. I have applied this candidate for this job. You can view the job details. These are the job details. Once the vendor or the client of this job accepts the application, there will be option for you open that you can start a chat, and also the option for the client or the vendor to start the chat will be there itself. So you can just start a chat if the application is accepted. For this, the AI feature to match the job is this, that if you just click on your bench candidate, the AI will be matching all the bench candidates to the available jobs available on your platform. But for this, you need a subscription. You can also use the AI to match your job with the candidates too, or other individual candidates available in this platform. So there are two AI features, one for matching the job, one for matching the candidates. Okay, and this is the overall AI feature, AI search, where you will select the domain of the job, and the score for all the bench candidates will be given to you by just selecting the domain here, the domain of the job you wanted. So all this AI feature is for Prime members only. Since I have just logged in, I have not purchased any specific plan. I am not able to use this feature. But yeah, you can use this feature by just purchasing a basic plan. Let me show you the plan's details. So here is the basic plan. It is of 4,999. These prices will be reduced since we are adding a launching offer. It will be reflected soon. So here's the professional plan and the enterprise plan. The basic plan, you have all the details here, the credits, and in the professional plan we also have details, the credits included, and how many jobs and invitation applications you can send and receive. So we have all the details here. The feedback will be shown here. As a vendor, someone have given you a feedback after completion of job, it will be seen here. And any feedback if you have given to any job or any candidate, then it will be shown here. And this feedback can be viewed by other candidates, that how is your company. While applying to your company, they can see the feedback if anyone have given to your company. So yeah, these are the features. I have shown you all the features here, all the necessary details I have given you. By this, I think that you have got an idea of how this platform works as a vendor, how you can post jobs as a vendor, how you can post your bench candidates, send applications, send invitations, and also how you can do AI matching, how you can utilize that feature to get your hiring sorted. So hire smart with staff on air. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.